Hello everyone, welcome back to another review by Scott. I'm a full-grown adult, maybe a little fuller overgrown, and I could fit comfortably in here. Hi, today we are reviewing OutdoorMaster's pop-up tent. Okay guys, so that was actually really simple and easy. As we adjust this and go through it, you push down. Okay. So you push down on the top white. So you got the white bars at the top. You push down on them. This is actually pretty cool. I'll show you guys inside in a minute. Let's see how this works. With plenty of headspace. You have these little windows here that you can go ahead and put these up by connecting the straps on the corners, hooks. And that works for all around. Overall, this is really nice. You got zippers to zip up. This was really nice. And it was super easy, especially for someone like me that doesn't like putting stuff together. This is definitely pretty awesome. I love this. Easy, I love it. But here comes the big question. Something can be easy to set up sometimes, but how hard is it to put it back? Let's try. So you have a leg like this. What you do is you lift up and then bend it. So don't try and bend it, you know, like this, because you might snap it. Lift up and bend. Not too bad, guys, for my first time dealing with this tent. This was no script. I didn't go off camera and like learn how to do it. I just did it on camera for you guys because that's what we do here. We give you honest, true feedback. Now, as I was saying, there are stakes. It does come with stakes. I was wrong. They were just hiding under the tent. So you got stakes and rope in here. Okay, my friends, sorry for that sun. I know that glare's a little rough, but yeah, we got it in just like we never did anything. And hey, even demonstrating it to you, it didn't take us that long. So I'm happy.